My room has a problem. You see, behind these mattresses is a large, plain, white, empty wall with no decorations. So I did what any rational human being would do, and I grabbed those mattresses and I dumped them into my sister's room. Sorry, sister. So now that's her problem. And while the mattress infects my sister's room with brain-eating bacteria, I'm gonna need your help in decorating this wall. I can already see like Spider-Man right there, and maybe like a train right here. I could add more shelves to put some of my amazing projects, a little bit of bullshit, but I want to know your ideas. So please drop them down in the comments below and let me know, and like and subscribe and like and subscribe.